From version 21, the Oasys suite is per monitor DPI aware on Windows platforms. This burst will discuss what that means. Per monitor DPI awareness is Windows speak for the ability to adjust the size and contents of an application so that it looks much the same when it's moved between desktop monitors, that is screens, of different resolutions. This ability is new in Oasys version 21. Previous versions were frozen at the resolution of the primary monitor on which they were started. This feature is only present in Windows versions. At present, Linux does not support this capability. On Windows, a desktop can span multiple monitors of different resolutions. Resolution is expressed in dots per inch, abbreviated to DPI. Windows 10 onwards is aware of this problem and provides a mechanism for resizing applications when they move between monitors. Before version 21, Oasys applications would be sized correctly for the monitor on which they were started, normally the primary monitor, but would not scale themselves when moved to a monitor of a different resolution. In this example, the window and its contents would be too large when dragged from monitor 1 to monitor 2. From version 21, Oasys software will adjust its appearance when an application window is moved between monitors at different resolutions. The window will be resized to be approximately the same size and shape on the destination monitor. Fonts will be scaled to give the same physical size. Line widths and spacing in the graphical user interface will be adjusted to give much the same appearance. It won't be identical, but it will be close. The process is automatic. You do not have to configure anything. When a window is dragged between monitors, the Windows operating system determines both when it should be resized and its new size and shape. It notifies the process, which then adjusts itself accordingly. In summary, Oasys version 21 will adjust window size and contents when they are moved between monitors of different resolutions on a Windows desktop. This process is automatic on all versions of Windows from Windows 10 onwards. You do not have to configure anything. This capability is not currently available on Linux. Thank you.